How do you restrict access to photos on iPad? Let me show you more ways how you can do this. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. First of all, you could restrict the access by locking the Photos application altogether. So you can hold down on the Photos app like this and just click on the Require Face ID. So you will perhaps need to tap on the options, tap on Require Face ID, authenticate yourself by scanning the face, and the app will now be locked. Right? So it just means that every time you want to get inside of the application, you will need to either scan your face or type in the iPad passcode, and otherwise the app is simply not accessible. So that is something which you can do generally for all of the photos. If you want to specifically hide and restrict access to some photos only, you can utilize the hidden folder. So whenever you get inside of the Photos app, open some picture or video in full screen, and you can click on the three dots in the top corner, which lets you click the hide option. The hide will simply make it disappear from your library. It will not show it in your widgets or anywhere else, and it will be part of the hidden folder. So you'll be able to go to the collections there, and perhaps you'll be able to find the hidden folder. For me, it's even locked, meaning that in order to get inside, I have to scan my face and authenticate myself again to be able to view the hidden photos. If you don't have it set up that way, just go to the settings, tap on apps at the bottom, and find the photos where you need to make sure that the require or use Face ID is actually enabled as a toggle. So when you have it turned on, the hidden album will be locked on your device. So this is how you can do this. Two main methods to restrict access to photos. Let me know if you managed to make it work, or if there are some questions you might have, leave them below as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.